Hi kids, it's reading time again. Last time we have learned how to read words with short middle E sound in the family of N, ed, et, and egg. I hope you remember the technique on how to read words. This time, we will meet another family again, and that is when we put the sound of the E and the CK together. That sounds as egg. Again, the C and the K has the same sound on this family, and that is k. So when we put the sound of the E and the CK together, it's egg. Can you do it once more? Very good. This time, let's practice reading the words. D, E, k. Deck. Make it fast. Deck. Deck is the upper part of the ship. Deck. Let's have another one. N, E, k. Neck. Neck. Neck is a part of your body. Next one. P, E, k. Peck. Peck. Look at the bird. He's pecking on the wood, and we call that peck. Now let's read once again. Deck. Neck. Peck. Very good. Now let's have the next family. When we put the sound of the E and the L together, we say L. Can you do it again? L. If you prolong the sound of the L at the end, that means there are two L together. Okay? Just like when we read this word. It's B, E, L. Bell. Okay? Make it longer so that you will know that there are two L at the end. Bell. And that is a bell. Next one. We have D, E, L. Del. Del. And del is another word for farm. It's the farm. Del. Next one. F, E, L. Fell. Fell. Uh-oh. Be careful. Next one. S, E, L. Sell. Sell. And the man is selling vegetables. Next one. T, E, L. Tell. Tell. Look at the boy. He's telling a story to his friends. Next one. Y, E, L. Yell. Yell. Yell is another word for shout. Yell. Next one. W, E, L. Well. Well. Ta-da! Now let's read again. Bell. Del. Fell. Sell. Tell. Well. And yell. Very good, kids. That's all for today. See you again next time. Bye.